An important step in the development of defense cooperation between Turkey and Indonesia was taken during the official visit of Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan to Jakarta. As part of this visit, leading Turkish unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) manufacturer Baykar signed an agreement with the Indonesian defense company Republikorp to establish a high-tech drone manufacturing facility in Indonesia. This project is not only a strategic initiative but also a significant enhancement of Indonesia's defense capabilities. The new joint venture will produce two of Baykar's advanced drones, the Bayraktar TB3 and Akıncı. This will not only localize production but also equip Indonesia with cutting-edge technologies, reducing its dependence on foreign arms imports. Additionally, Turkey will continue supplying these drones to Indonesia, strengthening its position as a key player in the Southeast Asian UAV market. The agreement is part of a broader program to modernize the Indonesian armed forces, in which the country has been showing an increasing interest in Turkey's advanced defense technologies. In 2023, the Indonesian government purchased 12 Turkish drones worth approximately $300 million, demonstrating growing trust in Baykar's products and the successful development of military technical cooperation between the two nations. The Bayraktar TB3 is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV) designed for naval operations. Its foldable wings allow the drone to operate from ships with short runways, such as aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships. This makes it particularly valuable for Indonesia, the world's largest archipelagic nation, which faces numerous maritime security challenges. The TB3 can carry a payload of up to 280 kilograms, including precision weaponry and reconnaissance equipment. It can stay airborne for up to 24 hours and, thanks to satellite communications, is capable of conducting long-range reconnaissance, target acquisition, and strike missions. Recently, this drone became the first UCAV to successfully take off and land on a short-deck vessel, showcasing its vast potential for naval applications. The establishment of a drone manufacturing facility in Indonesia is a strategically advantageous decision for both nations. Indonesia gains access to cutting-edge defense technologies, reducing its reliance on imports, while Turkey strengthens its position as a leading global drone exporter and expands its influence in the Southeast Asian defense market. The partnership between Baykar and Republikorp goes beyond a mere business agreement. It lays the foundation for deeper defense cooperation, expands Indonesia's technological capabilities, and enhances its standing as an independent player in the military technology sector. Amid Indonesia's rapid armed forces modernization, such initiatives play a crucial role in ensuring national security and strategic independence.